What we're going to be doing is offloading some Siemens automated crane rail cars. We're going to place them on Shank Services trucks, and we're going to transport them to the George R. Brown Convention Center for the Electric Expo.
I'm over the trucks. I work for Shank Services. We're in the heavy haul and specialized equipment movement here in the Houston area.
It comes to, supposedly it goes around through the different parts of America, North America. It's been in Chicago, New York. It's been into Grand Central Station. A lot of times they don't have to take it off the rail, which what they do is they have it come into the station and they fix all the trains up and everything where they have drapes over the wheels and it looks real nice and everything like that. So it's going to be a really neat operation here, we think.
And actually there's 13 cars that are going to be inside the George R. Brown, and one is going to have a generator on them to power the whole show, and it'll be parked outside.
The 200-ton cranes will actually reach around and get the container, pick it up off the rail car, lift it, and bring it straight to them and set them on Shank Services trucks. And then they'll be tied down, secured, and then transported to the George R. Brown.
We'll tie them down, and we'll have a truck that's going to stage them here. And I got 3 trucks that are en route right now with some more trailers, and they will be shuttling them back and forth to the George R. Brown and placing them in position inside.
Oh no, clue. It's been a well thought out plan, and everything's been executed to the plan, to the T.
Sounds like a plan. Just stand back and watch the show.
The first 8 foot from there back, they can stretch them and make them longer. They can also move the axles back, which they may be doing that over there also. Back another one in underneath.
Schedule?
Ought to have the whole job done in about 8 hours. And that's 8 hours from 8 o'clock. So I'm just trying to cut every corner I can think of cutting, so that when the train gets here, we can expedite that.
How's everything going? We talked to Rick already this morning. Did you talk to Rick yet?
No.
Rick Pennington?
Rick Pennington, yeah. Okay. I think I thought Rick Baker.
No, I talked to Rick.
Rick Pennington, the next half an hour, 45 minutes. Yeah, now it's the next half an hour, it's the train at 10.
Okay.
The train is right now in the yard.
Yes. Oh, so it is in the yard.
Yeah.
Because Rick came out here earlier, about an hour ago. Kevin and I went to talk to him at his office. We went to talk to the rail master, and the rail master pulled it up on the screen and said it was in Alvin. So Alvin's about 15 minutes from here. So if it's in the yard by now, they're doing the switching and getting rid of the big car and giving us the work engine.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You just go in, like every car, you go in, you see the exhibition, you go out until the next, so it's like 10 really exhibition cars, not 12 exhibition cars. Putting this thing together is this is a very unique idea of showing a lot of interested people and customers the fantastic possibilities of the Siemens technician possibilities. We run this train all over the world, entire Europe, inclusive parts of Eastern Europe and China, and now the States, Mexico, Canada, since about 2 years now.
Check these leads off. Ja, aber I'll do it.
Batterie, das war diese kleinen, die 2 Kilometer hochging, oder?
It's never like a fucking morning. Swearing, there's that.
I think it's very, if you are engineer and you're interested in technique and especially this automation and drives, you get a lot of new products you can see. You get a lot of new things. You really see how they work. You get very detailed insight because we have people, we call them guides in every car, who really explain very detailed and can answer every question. Why are you twinkling with your left eye?
Yeah.
4 to 1. Well, now we unload the containers to the trucks because we have it in the convention center on the trucks. And because of the setup here, you see, we have to take care that all the connections are in the right positions. And so we have to direct the trucks to come in the right way. That's what we do actually now. So just do it. This will be outside in the convention center, not inside, because we get the energy still from the generator. Because of all the exhaust, the genset makes some, fume. We take our the stuff we need to maintain the train. We take it out now and get ready. That's it. Because when this is gone, this is the first we put on the truck. Our stuff is gone too, so we take it out now. All we need, we take it out now. It's a closed system, And when the closed system is gone, we are lost.
And it's just the slings are slightly different in length. And on this one we can't allow that, so it will lift too awkward. We've got a big difference in length.
peel off. You got four. You got four reds. Are they the same length? Kino und jetzt hallo Michael nochmal und Cinema, Welcome Lounge ins Office.
Yeah, this stays down. We split the two. Okay.
You want flag one? You want flag one? You flag there. You need it right in here. Where you want it? On the shaft. On the shaft. On the shaft. David, you got some softness in there? Okay, can you come up a little bit more? Okay.
Take a bit more.
Ready now?
Still a little more away. Yeah. Pressure, all of a sudden, just twist it off. It doesn't matter how shoot right doing it, never works. See all the other ones, fucking things off. We have this all the time.
they want to leave the lugs on, just tie these two up with a rope where you can control them. And you take them off. Oh. Like 2 or 3.
Don't try to move it back the other way, all the way over. There you go. Going okay.
You ready to back another one in here? Yes, sir, ready.
Are they clear? Hey, my boys finished?
Yep. Back one up. Backing one up, Chris. Backing the train up.
It's good. Looks good. Good job. Very routine.
Fairly routine. This is Houston.
This is Houston. Houston, we have no problem. No, it's okay. I mean, we had a little delay. I think we'll be back in time soon. Training looks good. Training master is happy, so I'm happy. The boys in the yard are ready to receive the container, so it looks good.
Normally you're standing in front of the pit. Superman. Is it going well?
Very well, thank you.
Are you happy?
I'm happy, yeah. I'm very happy at the moment, yeah.
I heard you singing a tune a little minute ago. What were you singing?
I don't know, I forgot now, I don't know. Oh, tie a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. Yeah. I'm happy.
A little bit high. You don't have to pay that man to run around and do that.
That's not fair. A lot of dollars. $1 an hour. That's all it's worth.
Get it coming in above the trailer.